Poseidon Barge. Welding a double drum winch to the deck of a Poseidon sectional barge. Note: please see the disclaimer at the end of this video. For this example for welding a double drum winch to the Rollform deck part of a Poseidon barge, we will be using 3 common electrodes in the field for stick welding. The first weld will be a 332/7018 H4R electrode at 110 amps. The second weld will be a 1/8 7018 H4R electrode at 90 amps. The third weld will be a 532/7018 H4R electrode at 75 amps. The fourth and final weld will be a 532/7018 H4R electrode at 75 amps with a triple pass. Note: these parameters were used in this example and may vary from welding machines. Please refer to your manufacturing data sheet. Ensure to weld only on the approved weld down brackets. Do not weld to the winch frames. As with all welding, ensure to prep your base material on both the winch weld down bracket and the surface of the deck. This first weld is the 532/7018 H4R electrode at 110 amps. This second weld is the 1/8 7018 H4R electrode at 90 amps. The third weld using a 332/7818 H4R electrode at 75 amps. And the final weld using a 332/7018 H4R electrode at 75 amps with a triple pass. At the end of a project, use a grind wheel to cut down the weld holding the winch to the deck. All weldments need removed for any equipment that was welded to the deck for the project. Weldments need ground down flush except for any areas with weldment on the Rollform. It is acceptable to leave up to 1/4 inch of weldment on the Rollform areas. Last item is to always touch up the bare steel areas with a heavy application of anti-Rust-Oleum red primer to protect against corrosion. If you have any specific questions regarding welding procedures on Poseidon Barge equipment, please reach out to your Poseidon sales representative.